seated until we reach a stop at the gate and the captain turns the seatbelt sign off. Once he does that, you're free to retrieve your bags, but do use caution. Items can shift in flight, tumble out, and you don't want to see anybody injured. Go ahead and use your handheld electronics, but only if they're within arm's reach. You have to stay buckled up with carry-ons in place. Everyone will be deplaning today, so when you before you leave the aircraft, check around, make sure you've collected all your belongings. Once you step onto the jet bridge, the FAA doesn't let you back on board to search for anything you might have left behind. So if you find that happens, report it to our ground crew and we'll send employees to look. But the best approach is to check the seat back pocket, under the seat in front of you, bin space, between the cushions. Make sure you gather up everything that you brought into the aircraft. On behalf of all of us, we wish you a pleasant day here in Panama City, or safe travels at any forward destinations. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Panama City.